Hey everyone, ever wondered how calculus makes sense of speed and change? Let's explore the mean value theorem together. Imagine you're driving from one city to another, let's say from city A to city B. You start your journey at 9 a.m. and you arrive at city B at 11 a.m. Along the way, you encounter different speeds due to traffic, stop signs, and speed limits. Now, the mean value theorem says that there must have been a moment during your trip where your instantaneous speed, the speedometer reading at a particular instant, matches your average speed for the entire journey. The MVT states that for any continuous and differentiable function on a closed interval, there is at least one point within that interval where the instantaneous rate of change, the derivative, equals the average rate of change of the function over that interval. This theorem is crucial in calculus because it guarantees the existence of such a point, which helps in analyzing the behavior of functions and finding important properties such as maximum and minimum values.